gang, welcome back to another video. Excuse my appearance, I am currently deep conditioning my hair, but in today's video I am going to be showing you guys my recipe for the ACV cleanse, or the apple cider vinegar cleanse. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my videos, and like and comment on this video. So recently I decided that I wanted to do the apple cider vinegar cleanse, but I did not like the way that it tasted with the water and the lemon juice. I just didn't like it. So I'm going to show you guys a very quick, easy recipe, and it makes it taste, you can still taste the apple cider vinegar. I'm not gonna lie, apple cider vinegar has a very strong taste. You still taste it a little bit, but you don't taste it as much as you would if you didn't have the rest of these ingredients. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I use to kind of hide the apple cider vinegar taste. So the first thing I'm going to start with is some water. I'm using bottled water, and I'm going to use 1 cup of bottled water. And I'm going to put that in my blender. Next, I'm going to use some lemon juice. You can get the lemon juice from concentrate, already squeezed lemon juice, or you can use fresh lemons. I am going to use this because this is what I have. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm going to use my apple cider vinegar, and you want to make sure you get the apple cider vinegar with the mother, and that is this stuff you see here at the bottom. Make sure you shake it up really good. There you go. And 2 tablespoons of this. It's very disgusting and it smells nasty, but after that, I'm going to use some stevia. This is a no-calorie sweetener, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of this. Put that in the blender. And I'm using frozen strawberries. Now you can use any type of fruit that you want, but I like strawberries, so I'm going to use some strawberries. And I'm just using a handful. I don't count the strawberries, so just a handful of strawberries to replace the one I dropped on the floor. And after that's all in there, just blend it up. So after it's all blended, you can kind of see it's bubbly, and then the juice is at the bottom, but those bubbles will dissolve into juice. Just pour it in your cup. Usually I'll let mine sit and dissolve a little bit, let the bubbles dissolve down, because the bubbles is what really tastes like apple cider vinegar. The bottom is, it's good. I'm going to let my bubbles dissolve, and I'm gonna drink it on camera for you guys, just so you guys don't think that I'm throwing something out here for you to try and it's disgusting. It actually tastes good. So I'm gonna let it sit and let my bubbles dissolve, and I will come back with the taste test. Okay, so basically all of my bubbles have dissolved. There's still a few in there, but it's okay. Now I'm going to taste it for you guys so that you guys just don't think I'm about to pour it down the drain. It's really good. It tastes kind of like a sparkling strawberry something. I don't know. But you can't really taste the lemon juice. You can't really taste the apple cider vinegar. The main thing that I taste is strawberries. Now the apple cider vinegar has sort of an aftertaste, and it smells strong. It smells just like this. It's like you open this and you smelled it. That's what this smells like. But other than that, it tastes really good. And then the no-calorie sweetener, the stevia, really just kind of calms the flavor down a lot. So if you guys are trying to do the ACV cleanse, I suggest using recipes like these, and I'm also going to try a couple more recipes with different types of fruit, just so that I can get through this cleanse without losing my taste buds, because I feel like just the apple cider vinegar and water with the lemon juice, that's not gonna work for me. I tried it, it's terrible. I'm not doing that. With the no-calorie sweetener and the strawberries, now that is something that I can drink all day, every day. It's really good. But that's it. I just wanted to show you guys this little recipe. If you want to try it out, let me know if you tried it, and share your recipes with me. If you have different ways that you like to do your ACV cleanse, share it with me. I'd love to hear from you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.